ಸಂಸಾರದ ವಾನಲಿದಲು ತ್ರಣಯ ಕಾರುಣ್ಯ ಕನ್ನಕನತ್ವಂ ತಸ್ಯ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಗುಣಾರ್ಣವಸ್ಯ ವಂದೇ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀ ಚರಣರವಿಂದಂ. ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭು की तरुत्य गीता वादित्रमार्चान् मनसूरसेन रोमाञ्चकाम्पा श्रुतरङ्गभाजम् वन्दे गुरु श्री चरणरविन्दम्. श्रीविग्रहाराधन नित्यनाना शृङ्गारतन्मन्दिरमार्चनादौ युक्तस्य भक्तांश्च नियुञ्जतोऽपि वन्दे गुरु श्री चरणरविन्दम्. चतुर्विधा श्रीं भगवत्प्रसाद स्वादान्नतृप्तं हरिभक्त्य सङ्गं कृत्वैव तृप्तिं भजत सदैव वन्दे गुरु श्री चरणरविन्दम्. Shri Guru is like an auspicious cloud pouring down the waters of Krishna to extinguish the fire of material existence in our hearts, in our lives. Shri Guru is always engaged in the loving service of Bhagavan in the Nama, Bhagavan in the Shri Vigraha, and Bhagavan in the heart of all living entities. Shri Guru is busy in serving the Bhagavan and the Vaishnavas, cooking 4 kinds of foodstuffs and offering it to the deities and distributing the prasadam. When we offer something to the deities, of course it will be distributed as prasadam. It is not vice versa. Jivadaya not necessarily give Namaruchi, but Namaruchi gives Jivadaya. That we should remember. Shri Radhika Mam Tavayorapayor Madhurya Leela Gunarupanam Pratikshana Svadanalolupasyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Nikunjayo no Ratikeli Siddhai Yayali Viryukti Rapikshaniya Tatrati Daksha Tativallabhasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Sakshat Haritvena Samasta Shastrai Yuktastadambhav Yatena Sadbihi Kintu Prabhuyam Priyaiva Tasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Yasya Prasadam Bhagavat Prasadam Yasya Prasadam Nakati Kutopi Dhyayam Tuvam Tasya Yasya Trisantyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. This is the reality. This is the reality. Guru and Krishna is the reality. That we belong to Guru and Krishna is the reality. And the reality is that Shri Guru is Radhika Priya Sakhi and has come down as Krishna Kripa Shri Murti to rescue us and reinstate us in our constitutional position as loving servant to Bhagavan. In this way, the mercy of Bhagavan is coming through Acharya Bhagavan, Sadhu Guru. And they are constantly relishing, every moment relishing Bhakti Rasa Asvadana to Shri Radha Govind. Also, the Nama Rupa Guna Leela Asvadana of Shri Radhika Madhava. This is the reality. Shri Gurubhyo Namah.